Here in this video, I'll show you how to create this type of smoke text over effect only using Elementor free version. So here you can see this is just cool smoke over effect using only Elementor free version. So here you can see that this is just a picture, just image, that is just air purifier. So means air purifier means you get the fresh air and instead of the just bad or worst air. So if you have if you want to add your landing page portion this effect, so it looks website more cool and attractive to customers. Here you can see this is hovering now, so the text will be just hovering, just like a smoke. So you can see here. So I'll show you in this video how to create that. So without any time, let's just start the video. Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Soma from DCreato Academy. Alright, at first just you can see here I'm just using Elementor free version. If you just go to the theme, I'm just go to the at first just go to the appearance and go to the theme section, so which I'm just imaging. So I'm installing Astra theme, so it has no any just effect for this effect for Astra theme. Here you can choose any theme. I'm just using this Astra theme. You can also choose that, or if you just click on this plugins and go to the Elementor, just install plugins. Here you can see only Elementor is just I'm activating from now. Here you can see this Elementor Pro is here, but I'm not activating it. So you can see also the GoPro is just showing us. So that's why that means that I'm just using only Elementor free version. If I'm just scrolling down, so in this is a WP reset, so I'm just deactivating this. So you can see any other plugins is not activating this now. And just go to the page version page, and I'm just adding a new page here. So at first just adding a new page, so that's I'm just writing smoke, I'm just writing smoke effect, and then I'm choosing the template to Elementor canvas. Then just I'm going to publish and again publish, then just click on view pages and click on edit with Elementor. So after clicking this, here you can see this type of just smooth effect. So at first just you can see this is a divider, and then this type of the heading text and some description, and then this is the buttons with hovering effect, and then this is the images. So I'll put the images link in the description. You can download it from here. Also, if you want to download the Elementor Pro, I'll also give the link of Elementor Pro. You can download the Elementor Pro from the description. So now if you just click on this plus icon, then selecting two column structure, because it is a two column. Here you can see this is one image, and this one, this text and this buttons also description also in one column. So you have to select two column structure. So that's I'm selecting two column. Then click on this 6 dot icon, then click on the height, and then if you just click on to fit to screen, so it will fit as our required our screen. Then click on the plus icon, and if you're just searching for heading, at first just searching for divider. So if you're searching for divider, so just drag and drop it here. Then if you just click on this element, so you can see this is the add element. If you want to add the element here, so I'm just click on the T button, means text button. Then if I'm just searching for HTML tag to h1 tag, then click on the style button. Then I'm just click on this text, and this is the position. So if you want to add the position like left, so you can see this is the left position is just here in the text. And if you just click on the right, so it right position is here. So I want to add in the right, so that's why I'm just clicking on this, and then weight will be like only 2. I'm just giving it to 2, so that will be fine. Then click on this, so width will be, I'm just decreasing to this 30 pixel. 30 pixel is fine. Then click on the style tab, go to the text, and text color will be like pure black, and typography will be I'm typing to Poppins typography as usual. I'm just typing this, and then weight will be fine. That's it, and then nothing to do. So just click on this 9 dot icon, then just drag it, drop the heading here. So I'm just add the heading, and I'm just copying the heading from here. So if you want to just copy this, you don't just do that because it's just more covering. So that's why I'm just inspect this. So I'm just inspecting this. So I think this is a mobile device view. So this you can see this is just not copying. So I'm just texting this paper. So I'm just writing here. So what is the typing? Air purifier high performance, that's it. So I'm just writing purifier performance, that's it. Here you can see this is the air purifier performance. Then click on the style tab, and then text color will be pure black, so I'm just selecting pure black. Then typography will be, again I'm choosing the Poppins typography. So here is it, and then weight will be 700, transfer will be uppercase, and the line height will be in pixel. Here you can see the EM and the pixel. So I'm selecting a pixel, that is 75. and then size will be 60. That's it. Then I'm just closing this. There you can see this just a cool. So now if I want to add on description, so that's why I'm just drag and drop the text editor, then go to the style tab. As it is, I don't know to just edit anything. Click on the text color and giving the text color to like this, not black or not gray, like this medium color. Then I'm just choosing this Poppins color, sorry, Poppins font, and then I'm choosing one button. Here you can see these are buttons here with hover effect. So I'm selecting, click on 9 dot icon again and selecting one button. So this is the button here. I'm just placing the button here, then click on this, and then if I'm just writing, so I'm just show you how to create the smoke effect, so to look better. That's why I'm just selecting this text and description and buttons to look better and understand. So I'm just copying the color. At first just I'm copying the color from here, and then again just paste it. Then you can see this is came, and the borders I'm just giving it to 50. Then go to the, just I don't know to choose anything, padding or something. Go to the typography and give it the 400. Then Roboto I'm just giving it to Poppins font again, and then size will be, I'm just giving it to size, this is the size 14 pixel. And then I don't want to just give the padding, so I'm just increasing the padding from here. So now I'm just increasing the padding like 13 pixel. Then unbind this padding, and right will be 30 pixel and the left will be 30 pixel. That's it. And the top will be 15, bottom will be 15. That's it. This now it's fine. Then go to the hover section, and then background color will be transparent, and the text color will be this color. And then if I'm just hovering, so it will just showing us. So now if you just want to add the border, so just click on this border solid. Then if you see this is a border, so I'm just clicking on the border again. So if I'm now hovering, so you can see this just effect. So width will be only 2. So if I'm just hovering now, so it is just come. If I'm just 1, so you can see this just came. So now if you just click on this typography and giving to 400, so it looks better now. Then click on the update button. Then if you want to add the box shadow or something, just click on this, go to the normal and go to the box shadow. Here is the box shadow. So I'm just giving it to at first 1 RGB 0.1. You can all add also hexa code. So I'm just giving it to vertical 30, then 10, and spread will be 20, and just increasing this, decreasing this, and then I'm just decreasing also this, and then blur will be like this 20. And then you can see this is a 5, 20 and 0 like this. And then I'm deleting this, go to the hover section, go to the box shadow and editing this, and then 520. So I'm just giving it to normal if you want to add normal, and then if you just add to box shadow. Now if you just, it is fine. So let's click on the update. So don't want to nothing this, just click on the trim section and click on the style tab and go to the, I'm just adding the one background image here. So this is the background image, just inserting media, then click on the position, and this is the center and center, and giving attachment will be default, and then position will be no repeat, a size will be cover. That's it. Then just click on this text, and I'm just adding one snippet code. So I'm just copying it from here. So I'll just put the all snippet, CSS snippet, or in the description. You can just download it and paste it. So let me show you how to paste it. So you can see this is the, I'm just pasting it with HTML widget. So you have to add HTML widget here. Just click on this HTML. Sorry, I'm just giving it to HTML widget. Here you can see this is HTML. So I'm just padding, just to drag and drop to anywhere. I'm just, you can choose it anywhere, you can drop it. So I'm just decreasing the padding to 15 pixel. 15 pixel. That's it. And then go to the content and pasting the CSS snippet here. So I'm just all copy this all whole things. So I'm just copying this from the here. So just let me copy this. Why it is not happening? Just So I'm just copying this and then I'm just pasting it here. So here after pasting this, just click on this text and then go to the advanced tab. Here you want to we have to do, we want to just add the CSS class, then it will work. After without adding on CSS class it will not working. So after just adding smoke, you can see here this is the smoke. If you just text my follow my text, you can see here this smoke is just, you have to just update it. After clicking on update, then if I'm just click on this load page, so you can see this is the page came. So this is the before page. I'm just introducing at first how what is just happening here, and this is the after page. I'm just on now creating this. So I'm just, if I'm just hovering now, here you can see this offer effect. So this is just cool. After with you, if you add your landing in the landing page portion in your air purifier like this, you can see this air purifier. So means the air, the spray here, this the air is just spraying and you get the fresh air. That's why the text is also just spraying smoke effect. So that's will the in the this is the suitable for your landing page portion in the air just purifier or something. So I think this video is helpful a lot, and if you learn a new something, so please subscribe this channel, like this video, comment down below how is it, and if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe this channel. If you just and click on bell notification, the not all notification, so whenever I'll upload the video you will get notification at first. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, thanks for watching.